Hey guys, what's up? This is Kevin, and in this video, what I want to do is quickly show you how to have all your friends selected by default every time you want to invite people to check out a fan page, whether it be yours or someone else's. Now, you're going to get a link to this page right here, which is Makis Avro. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And there's two different methods that you can use to do this, but I just used method number 2, and it worked really great. This one right here. You install the extension, the Grease Monkey extension. Now, Grease Monkey is who makes a lot of these scripts that you guys see when it comes to Facebook. So you click on that link, that'll open up this page, and it works for Firefox. So you just add it to your Firefox, okay? Then you come back to this page. Once that's installed, you come back and you click on this link, which is going to bring you here to get the actual script. You click on install, and it will install it right here in the Grease Monkey application. Now, what will happen is when you go back to Facebook after those two have been installed, you go to suggest to friends. And what's going to happen now is inside the pop-up, you're not only going to see that you can select all your friends, but you can say, okay, select 1,000 of my friends, select 500 of my friends. There's going to be an extra little box underneath that allows you to put in a number, and it'll automatically select that number of friends. Now, of course, anything like this, you guys make sure you do your own research. Make sure you're comfortable installing scripts from other people. It is a third party, and while I do trust them, you have to make your own decision if you want to trust them. So, make sure you do that and you do your due diligence. But, I use it. I think it's really cool, and it's up to you if you want to use it. Okay, but as you can see here, in the pop-up, you see where it says start number. Well, I could put in there 1,000, all right? And then click select friends, and it will select 1,000 of my friends automatically for me. All right, so this is a way for you to do this without having to each time have to install the script or paste it in. So it's a pretty cool technique. I got the idea from someone who just left a post on the thread. I think there was a way to just click one button to get it done. And so I went and I did some research. It was a great suggestion. I did some research and I found this as a way. But again, do your own testing, do your own research, make sure you feel comfortable using it. And if you do, have fun. I hope you can understand my voice. I'm a little sick, so my voice doesn't sound too well right now. But check it out, use it. If you like it, let me know. But again, make sure you do your own research. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.